Hello friend, welcome to you on Global Agri Point. Parulal here. Today we are discuss about meteorology, climatology, and hydrometeorology. Let's we start. Before discussion, please like, share, and subscribe our channel Global Agri Point. So today our topic. Before discussion about meteorology, we discuss about some terminologies. So first terminology, environment. It is the aggregate of all external conditions influencing affecting the life and development of an organism. So, environment is a aggregate of all external conditions. Second one is climatology. So, what is climatology? Climatology derived from Greek word. Clima means slope of the earth, and the logia means study. So, climatology means study of slope of the earth. So it's derived from Greek word, two Greek word, clima and logia. So climate defined as mean physical state of climate system. So climatology is a mean physical study of climate, and it is a mean physical state of climate system. Let's discuss about meteorology. Meteorology again derived from Greek word meteors and logia. It is a two Greek word again, meteors and logia. So meteors means high in the sky, and logia means study. So the mean of meteorology study of high in the sky means above the sky, earth level, earth surface. So who is the founder of meteorology is Aristotle. Aristotle is the founder of meteorology. Let me discuss about definition of meteorology. Meteorology is the disciplinary scientific study of atmosphere that focuses on weather process and forecasting. So meteorology study about atmosphere mainly, and in which atmosphere comes climate and weather phenomena. So we focus on weather process and forecasting. All these chapters we study in next video. So science dealing with atmosphere is called a meteorology. It is a physics of weather phenomena. It is a physics of weather phenomena. So meteorology is physics of weather phenomena. Let me just about agrometeorology. Agrometeorology is a applied meteorology which investigates the physical conditions of environment, growing plants and animal organisms. So agro means plants and animals organisms, which comes under agro, and meteorology means the conditions investigate physical conditions. So combination of physical conditions and the environment of growing plants in the study is called agrometeorology. Agroclimatology. Agroclimatology, science that deal with aspect of climatology having direct relevance to agriculture is called agroclimatology. Let's we discuss about agroecology. The study of relation of agriculture, crops and environment is called agroecology. So the agriculture, crop and their environment to study is called agroecology. Let me discuss about weather, weather and climate. So weather is a day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a given place or at a given time. So weather is a day-to-day phenomena. Like cloudy day, it is a rainy day, cloudy day, sunny day. So it is a day-to-day phenomena. So 30 year of weather is optimum for climates. It is the important questions are asked in many exams. So 30 year of weather is optimum for climate. So weather is expressed in numerical values. Weather is expressed in numerical values of meteorological parameter. And the weather like that is a one rainy day, two rainy day, three rainy day, 4 rainy day, 1 sunny day, 1. That's why it is expressed in numerical values. Let's discuss about climate. A long-term state of atmosphere over a large region. So weather is a day-to-day condition, but climate is a long-term state, and where it is a given place and at a given time. But climate is a large region. So climate is expressed in normals or average, because it is a 30-year of weather is optimum for climate. So it is expressed in average, like cold season, tropical climate. So cold season, it is a average in all our seasons of winter. So micro climate is below 1.25 meter height, it called microclimate. And the macroclimate, when the climate is above 1.2 meter height, it's in some books the microclimate height given 2 meter, below 2 meter, and the macroclimate height is given above 2 meter. So don't confuse. Aggregate of climate condition is called a season. Aggregate of climate condition is called a season. World Meteorological Day celebrate on 23rd March on establishment of World Meteorology Organization, Geneva, Switzerland. World Meteorology Organization is established at Geneva, Switzerland. So on this day we celebrate each and every year World Meteorological Day on 23rd March. Father of hydrometeorology in world, D.N. Walia, and the father of hydrometeorology in India is L.A. Ramdas. So this question is asked in 2018 in Astronomy JRF. 2018 in Astronomy JRF. All India Coordinated Research Project on Hydroclimatology started in 1983 at Hyderabad. Hydrometeorology observatories. A palace where all necessary instruments to record weather parameters is installed. So it is a palace where all weather parameters is installed. So it is a site, representative site or waterlogged free, and the far from building and shade and labeled. Type of observatory: synoptic observatory, which used for study standard, and the hydrometeorology observatory for agriculture research. So first type of hydrometeorology observatory is type A or principal observatory located at Pune, Maharashtra, and observation taken 3 hour interval in day. So in one a day we take 4 observation 12 hour. So it is a first type or principal type observatory. Second which comes hydro B type or ordinary observatory. In this observatory we observe all the weather parameters. Like we have a 7 weather parameters, in which temperature, rainfall, clouds, wind velocity, and pressures, etc. all of these. So third one is a C type or auxiliary agriculture meteorology observatory. So it is a purposeful for agriculture purpose. So it is important for our purpose is agriculture auxiliary. So agriculture purpose. D type is agriculture meteorology station. It is established in each and every college, institute, and research organization for agriculture purpose. So thank you so much guys. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel Global HD Point, and press on bell icon for getting a new update and recent data, and also comment on comment box on which topic you want a video. Thank you so much for watching this video.